Hi, this is Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. I wanted to give you a short walkthrough of a new 19-foot Scout 195 Sportfish. This one comes with their midnight blue color. Has a 150 Yamaha. A couple of options installed on this unit. We have bow cushion. We have trim tabs with indicator, hydraulic steering, fusion stereo. Great live well setup in this boat. Plenty of room if you're a fisherman. Great seating in the back. Bow cushion fills in nicely and a great place to hang out. Drink holders. Has a cooler seat in the front and plenty of room inside the console here. If you wanted to add a porta potty, there's plenty of room. Great place to mount a GPS fish finder. Comes standard with a compass. Great location for your battery switch and your breakers there. Lockable glove box. Great layout on this boat. If you'd like more information on the Scout 195 Sportfish, contact MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thanks.